I mean, I did some research. You! Please. Thank you. Shishia. Because you look all ready and Gucci and said, you better sprint, homie. You better sprint. What's up, you guys? So we are going to do, we're going to prep, prime, all that stuff, jazz, to do a makeup look because she has a music video coming up in 2 weeks. And I want to look good. One time, oh gosh, I was so scared. I'm like nightmares about it. But once upon a time, I had like where my foundation, my concealer was just way too white for my body at that time. But then I'm gonna try to figure out my skin and stuff like that, and we're gonna do a flash photography just to make sure that everything looks good and stuff afterwards. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyes first before starting with the base. So I have this like look in my, it'll be like almost like this. Please be my shade. I hate foundation shopping and I hate concealer shopping. I think this might be a little bit too, I don't mind the shirt. I don't do it for anything, just wearing see shirts. I'm always too scared. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I'm always too scared to go and return makeup back at the store. I think you can, but I don't know if you can. I'm too scared. These that I kind of have left is from the Morphe 3503. This one right here. Dab this on the eyes to set the concealer. Because I want to like work with tape to get that nice cut crease. Because definitely not a pro at cutting it yet though. Alright, je suis back. A light brown. This shade of brown to the
yeah. Yo, you ain't gotta worry about a thing, baby.
And apply a dark brown to the outside. Dark brown. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the Morphe palette and grab the black one. Just add a little black. And try to blend that out real quick. And I'll grab this one from Morphe's. The small little one, M217. And then I'm just gonna line it real quick here. Starting from the inner, just going out a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to take the crease, I think M421 brush. And now what I'm going to do is just cut a little crease right there, and then so I can have a little cut crease right there. Just a little something for it. Just small dabs. He's alright.
You ain't gotta worry about a thing. You can have it all. I don't ever play with you. This ain't a game. You don't need a call. You know I got.
I think this is good. Moment of truth. Do you like it? I like it. I do like it that with the tape it does cut it really crisp. But what I'm gonna do now is just clean off the fall off. You see some eyeshadow fell there, and I can prep the base. Let's go ahead and start the base. So I still have this baby skin. This is hard. I guess I'll use this. Just to get some on my forehead too. So I have Maybelline Unported. Does this have any SPF? Oh yeah, and it's in 120. But I think it might be too late. Flash photography will tell me in a bit. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. I'm gonna start light and then pile it up afterwards. As of right now, it looks like it matches my skin, so that's a good thing. Especially because you're gonna be in pictures and videos. I look good. Alright, moment of truth to see if this is the real under eye for it. I didn't want to get it on concealer, that was too late. I guess you could say concealer is really close to the skin color, but I feel like it might be just a little bit darker. We'll see. I think it might be a little dark. Darker. I feel like it's a little too orange for my skin. But I want to add just a little brightness here. I was watching Roxette talk about it, and she said if you want your eyes to go a little lighter, you can add lightness there. But I feel like this concealer might be too light. Time will tell. And bake it for a little bit. Bake right under the eye. You said you don't need too much. Alright, so I'm gonna let it sit for a bit. Do you see it? Yeah, you see it a little bit there. Alright, we're gonna finish the bottom of the eyes. And what I'm gonna do is a little bit of the black and the dark brown under. Dark brown. And just go under like that. Try to connect them in a way, you know me? There. Set the black. I do like the black to line under here a little bit, and then followed by like the transition color and the dark brown right there. But it's looking good so far. Just gotta add highlighters and I'll be right back. What's up, what's up? So as you can see, I changed. Sorry, there's a lot of hair. And I put on a wig and it looks so nice on me, surprisingly. Maybe it's because my pale skin texture. But anyways, so here's the makeup, as you can see. I think I could have gone a little darker. I mean, for me, it's not bad. It's kind of subtle. I kind of want more of a makeup that goes BAM! You know what I mean? So I think this one's kind of like a little bit too subtle for me for the eye look. But Just remembered I have to show you if there's any flashback. So let's go ahead and test it out in my dark room. So, okay, I'll take you guys to it. So you can see my room's really dark. I'm gonna go ahead and take a flash photography quick. It's only part 1, many more makeup to come. But otherwise, this one was pretty simple, and I love how I probably will be using tape because I love how cut the crease is, or not crease, but I love how cut the line is. But next time I think I'm gonna try to line it this way instead of this way. But it's not bad so far. So this is only part 1 of the look. Because I do want to try to experiment again maybe later or tomorrow with like more of a slanted one and maybe go a little bit more in depth. Maybe I'll use like darker, harsher, like smoky eye color, or maybe I'll go out of like my crease a little bit. But yeah, this one's not too bad. But okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna conclude it here. So stay tuned for part 2 of the look. So, okay, catch you guys later.